Hi, this is Derek English with Ale Digital. Ale, 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 Ale. Let's go. Yeah. All right. Yeah. If you haven't noticed by now, Ale Digital. Ale is French for let's go, and I'm doing the football chant from Liverpool. So yeah, there it goes. But anyway, in this session, we want to continue with the SEO audit, but focus this session on the keyword research. So to do the keyword research, the tool that we're going to utilize in this session is KWFinder. But before we begin, here's a pro tip. Go to Google Search Console. Why? Because Google Search Console, it's amazing. It has so much information. And for keywords and key phrases, it's a really great tool to find new terms that you never thought about. So if you go to Google Search Console, go to your account, and if you scroll down, so as you can see, for the last 3 months, you can see Ale Digital, which is our brand keyword, is getting the most clicks, and then we have Google Vertig, is Google Tools in Swedish, email marketing tips, lead generation, education marketing, inbound marketing, etc. So as I said, it definitely gives you information on potential new keywords that you haven't thought about, and now you can see if you can focus on them with the Google tools. So for this, we'll go to Google, we'll go to KWFinder, and our focus area this is for Ale Digital. We're just doing it for Ale Digital. So we're targeting Ohio. So as I said, you should always have first the key term, your branded key term. So branded key term, Ale Digital, Ohio gets about 50 searches. We're ranked number 1, and estimated visit. If you rank number 1, it's roughly around a 30 to 33% on average. So just put 16 there. And let's try to now fill up the other. If there's more brand terms, definitely add them. So there can be variations. So Ale Digital, LLC, Ale Digital, agency, etc. If they do show up, definitely add them. But since this is a new area we're starting, it's only Ale Digital. We don't have different variations in Ohio. All right, and now, as I said, let's add some other ones. So we do a lot of SEO and SEM, but as you can see right here, if we put this term SEO, it has a lot of searches, but the keyword difficulty is very high. So I want to focus on utilizing this term. You can put it out there, but when you give the recommendation to your client, it's not you would not have them to utilize this term in their landing pages or articles. But it doesn't hurt putting it out there. So it's 3,200. What's the number? 3,200, 7937. 3,200. Yeah. 7937. 7937. And yeah. So we will show you where the search position estimate visits come from. But how about SEO services or company? Oh, it was right there. Because if they can't, it's a single key. Well, SEO is a single keyword, but if the keyword difficulty is very high, it's probably beneficial to target a variation, a long-term keyword. So SEO service. Is 42, or SEO company. This is something that's like, you know what, based off of your client's domain authority and their page authority, like they're ranking that, they can probably target. It's a green is always good, but a yellow, maybe they can target. So we want to add it to our list. And that's neighbor outside. 42. And the PP was 65. So PPC difficulty is if you're using pay-per-click, so Google ads or any other Bing ads, etc. All right, and SEO services. And let's go into was lead generation stuff. That lead generation was one of the key terms that we were ranking for if in Google Search Console that we had clicked. So let's add this. So 5272. All right. Just kind of just take one more. No, marketing tips. Email marketing strategy. Trying to get a green one, but they're probably all. There's one. Just LinkedIn profile tips. Be green, be green. All the stuff. It's yes, digital marketing. It's fine. Let's take. Yeah, they're all going to be up there. I think we will be able to find any. So, hey, nonprofit marketing. So yeah, let's take one of the industries that we're focused on. Yeah, all this industrial marketing. Yeah, so you can see green. It goes up to 30. So this would be a great area if we're looking at, or industrial marketing. Yeah, strategy. Let's take that. Or agency. Yeah, we are. So industrial marketing agency. Let's take that one. Finally, green one. And it was 10, 19, 100. 10, 19. So with this is 100, I won. Well, actually, the PPC difficulty is very high. It's however, like you said, the search term is very low, but the keyword difficulty is very low as well too. So if you're writing, like if you have a landing page and create articles around this strategy, stuff like that, you should be able to pop up. And soon. And with SEO, on average, it usually takes 3 months. It depends on your industry. It can take faster or it can take longer, but on average, I usually say it's around 3 months. So it is an investment upfront, but this is free traffic coming afterwards. So it's good to invest in it. However, it's ongoing. It's not just a one-time thing or one size fit all. You got to constantly monitor it and make the appropriate changes as necessary. So now let's say we got the information, but now we are looking to get the search position. Right view, freeze. Yeah, there we go. So what we want to do now is copy all these keywords, and then in Keyword Finder, you will now switch to SERP Watcher. And SERP Watcher will give you information of your clients or your organization's rank, as well as the estimated visit that they're currently getting. So go to your company or your client's company, enter the information in, and say that our target is Ohio, and we copy all the key terms right here. We're focused on desktop, which majority of our target audience utilize. As you can see, if you have a CSV file or text file, you can easily drag and drop right there, but company right here, and then you'll start tracking. So with SERP Watcher, it takes around like 30 minutes to get done, 30 minutes or less to get results. Or it depends on it. It can take a little bit longer. But once it's running, and we'll just click on our Swedish side. Once it's done and running, it will give you your client's or your organization. It'll give your organization ranking. So for lead generation, we rank number 7, and our estimated visits is number 7. So now you just go back to the spreadsheet. So we rank number 7 and we get number 7. When it comes to ranking, the first page is usually it's around 8. It's around 8. It's around 8 different links that are popped up, searches that are popped up. So if you don't rank on the top 1 through 8, usually you're now on the second page, and majority of people don't go to the second page. However, it's still good to get started. You still got to get started. So you want to monitor that. So you want to monitor and make the appropriate changes to get you onto that first page. And of course, there could be changes, and it depends on what Google is doing. Algorithm. Right now, it's usually around 8. It's 8 different sites, links on the first page, but it can be 10. I've seen some Google playing with changes with that, but on average, it's around 8. And as you can see, just fill this up, Ohio, and then just take examples. So now the worst you do is like 101. So we're clearly not ranking for inbound marketing, so we're not getting any visits. Not getting any visits right here too. For SEO, we're probably ranking very high as well too. I'm just throwing out numbers, so we're probably no visits right there, but just SEO service, we're now on the second page. So say number 12, and out of there, we're at least pulling 1. And then industrial, since it's much easier, just say we rank number 2, and number 2 is about, which percentage? Yeah, it's about around 2. We're probably getting around 2 out of 10. And of course, for your overall brand, you should be ranking number 1 or 2. It could be, it depends. There's competition. So your competitors can be ranking higher for your term, depending on what they're doing with it. So basically, once you have all this information, now you've completed your keyword research, and only thing you got to do to finish up the SEO audit, as I say, just go back to the topic areas that you're working on, and now in this category right here, put the appropriate keywords that you feel that they should be using. So for this homepage right now, our clients should be using their brand. So right here, and then just for another area here. So yeah, so for right here, it should be climate change. But like I said, if you feel it's very difficult and based off of their domain authority that they can't rate for it, maybe climate change, in the US. Like if it's a term that, or climate change, change and animals, or plants, yeah, and plants. Stuff like that. Like think outside the box. But think outside. The hierarchy probably would be climate change, but think outside the box on different other key terms where they can start off. And the cool thing about it, too, why you should be focused on long-tail keywords is because once you start ranking high for those long-tail keywords, and if things are going well, just say, for example, with SEO service that we're now probably ranking number 1 and 2, people are clicking on it. They enjoy the content, so we're meeting our searchers' intent. They're enjoying the content. We have a low bounce rate. The average page session is very great. That Google's algorithm may state, you know what, you're doing very well. That even though you're ranking now for 74 for SEO, just because how good you're doing with SEO services, because they are related, that a month from now, you're now at 34. And then continue, like you're focused on SEO services, you're creating your content cluster around it. And like I said, still tying to SEO, you're just doing really good information that helps out, that down the road 6 months, now you could be on the first page. So definitely it takes time. And as I said, it's an ongoing thing. So it's not a one size fit all. It's an ongoing thing. So you have to constantly keep monitoring what's going on each month, what changes you can make to make, and update your content, make sure it's relevant to your targeted audience, and continue on. And hopefully soon you will be ranking high for the key terms that matter to you. But start off, as I said, start off focusing on the long tail keywords. And if you do well, you will eventually do well for the short tail keywords as well. But it all depends on your region and competition. So definitely, another pro tip, definitely see what's going on with your competition. So Kuno Creative, how long their page is, the information they have on their site. Take some time to load. Go sales artillery. So yeah, see what they're doing. See what they're doing, just how you can see what they're doing and make improvements. Like, what can you do to make improvements to differentiate yourself while still holding your brand voice? So yeah, what they have is really good. This page is freaking amazing. It's beautiful. The content on it is really good. Like, they're showing results, so I understand why it's ranking so high. So take the do your research and take information for what your peers are doing and utilize it to make improvements on your own landing pages and content. And as I said, sooner or later you'll be ranking high for those as well. And also your domain authority and page authority should go up. So if you have any more questions, definitely leave a comment on the YouTube video and go to our website. We have a lot of information as well too. So come out, check out our blogs, or check out any of our pages. We definitely want to keep you updated, or sign up to our newsletter to get beneficial information. All right, thank you for your time, and you guys have a great day. Hey, dude. Bye-bye.